Ever wonder why some people seem to have a natural talent for getting what they want? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of persuasion, a skill that can turn a no into a yes and make dreams a reality. Persuasion is the invisible thread that weaves through our daily interactions, shaping our decisions in subtle ways. From the boardroom to the classroom, from politics to personal relationships, it's an art that can be learned, mastered, and used for good. Well, it's time to unravel the secrets of the art of persuasion. First off, we have the tactic of reciprocity. It's a social norm where if someone does something for you, you feel a strong urge to do something back for them. It's a powerful tool in persuasion, making it quite effective. So next time someone does you a favor, you now know why you may feel inclined to return it. Moving on, we've got consistency and commitment. It's fascinating how a tiny yes can snowball into a big commitment. Start with a small ask, and you'll find it easier to get a larger agreement. Remember, small steps can lead to big leaps. Ever followed a crowd? That's social proof for you. It's a psychological phenomenon where people mimic the actions of others in an attempt to reflect correct behavior. It's like being in a restaurant and ordering what the person next to you did. So the crowd does have power after all. Who can resist a charming personality? Indeed, we're naturally inclined to be swayed by those we admire or find appealing. It's a human trait, really. We lean towards those we like, more receptive to their ideas and arguments. So charm them with your charisma. Authority. Not always as scary as it sounds. You see, we humans have an innate tendency to follow those who appear authoritative or expert. It's a psychological shortcut, a trust in their judgment. So sometimes it's good to pull rank. Ever rush to buy the last item on the shelf? That's scarcity at work. It's a powerful persuasion tactic that plays on our fear of missing out. The perception of scarcity can ramp up demand in a flash. Limited supply does create a frenzy, doesn't it? Unity. More than just a feel-good factor. When we share a common identity with someone, it's like we're part of the same tribe. This sense of unity can greatly influence our decisions, nudging us towards agreement. We are, after all, social creatures. Contrast. A simple yet effective tool. By presenting options in stark contrast, we can subtly steer people's decisions. Picture a luxurious vacation versus a budget trip. Quite persuasive, right? Remember, in the art of persuasion, a little comparison can go a long way. First impressions and last impressions both matter. Let's talk recency and primacy. These psychological quirks show that what we first and last encounter sticks in our minds. It's a potent tool in persuasion, influencing how people remember information. So start strong and finish stronger. Fear, a powerful motivator. It's the driving force that compels us to take action even when we'd rather not. When used effectively, fear can shape decisions and steer outcomes. It's a tool that, while intimidating, can be incredibly influential. Fear may be unpleasant, but it does get things done. Who doesn't love a good story? Stories captivate, they entertain, they engage. But did you know they also persuade? Yup, a well-told tale can make an idea seem more tangible, more relatable, more believable. So weave a tale and watch the magic. Because a small word with big power. Fancy a persuasive trump card? Just give a reason. It's fascinating, really. People are more likely to be swayed when they understand the why behind your request. So, always have a because ready. So there we have it, the 13 powerful tactics of persuasion. We've journeyed from the subtle power of reciprocity through the compelling forces of consistency, commitment, and social proof. We've explored the influence of liking, authority, scarcity, and unity, and uncovered the effects of contrast, recency, primacy, fear, storytelling, and the mighty because. Each of these tactics offers its own unique approach to persuasion. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tactics wisely, and you'll be a master persuader in no time.